Heyo, boss, and welcome back. Today's chef's going to show us how to make a Crab Rangoon pizza. Now, he knows he hasn't made Crab Rangoons yet, and he wants to make those soon, but the Crab Rangoon pizza is definitely all over the internet, and he's excited to kind of show you his take on it. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get cooking. Chef's going to start off with some pizza dough. Now, he bought his store made just because pizza dough can take hours to make, and he ain't got time for that. So you can go ahead and buy some store made pizza dough. Put it in the oven around 450 degrees for about 5 to 8 minutes just to brown it up a little bit. Chef's also using imitation crab meat because, you know. So go ahead and chop this up. You want it nice and fine or shredded. Make sure it's also thawed and fresh. In a large bowl, Chef said start off with some softened or warmed cream cheese, chopped green onions, added some shredded Parmesan cheese, and of course, your crab meat. And all the ingredients will be listed down below, but always feel free to change the measurements to your liking. Okay, with a spoon or spatula, just go ahead and mix all these ingredients together. This is what our filling is going to look like in the end. Take that pizza dough out. It's nice and browned. Chef's going to go ahead and take his filling and he's just going to kind of smoothly put it all around the pizza dough. Okay, once that's all set, go ahead and add your mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella. And Chef picked up some Chinese noodles. These are those noodles you get if you go to a Chinese restaurant. They're already, done, cooked up for you. So all you got to do is crush them up in a bowl and then spread them around your pizza. That adds that crunch, and it's so simple. Okay, once that's nice and topped, we're going to add some more chopped green onions. And then Chef's going to put this in the oven, and he's just going to let it bake in for several more minutes. Okay, Chef went ahead and took this out. Everything's nice and melted. Now he's going to top this with some sweet chili sauce. And there you have it. Chef's going to go ahead and cut this up for us to show. Again, everything's going to be down below, the ingredients, but Chef said to alter them to your liking if you want to add more or less crab or more or less green onions depending on what you favor. There's a beautiful picture of it, and these tasted just like the Crab Rangoon Chef's made. Very delicious. There's our classic end shot for you. So there's the whole pie, and this was very simple to make, and it came out delicious. A little bit of crunch, you had that crab, the sour cream taste, all on a pizza dough. So delicious, very simple. We definitely hope you enjoyed this video. We hope you try it out. If you're a fan of Crab Rangoon, try this video, this recipe out. Chef thinks you'll really enjoy it. And it was good the next day because he had it for lunch. Subscribe if you're new, and don't forget everyone, cooking should be fun.